Kensurfs here, and it's time for another shave video. It's a Saturday shave. It's almost Labor Day. It's Labor Day weekend, and man, I already had a day off yesterday. I got a day off today for Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Most of you in the United States have Monday off, with a few exceptions. So it's a nice long weekend. So it gives me a chance to maybe do one or two shaves. And I had a mail call, a couple of mail calls, and in this video, I'm actually going to use two products. One of the products is a new soap from Wetshaving, and this is Lady Be Good. And this is based, and this is a collector's edition. I'm number 20 in this tin. And this is citrus, amber, and woods. And this is based on the Lady Be Good. It was a B-24, and they went out on their first combat mission in 1943 and never returned. And then in the Libyan desert in 1958, I think it was 58, yeah, they found the wreckage of the ship and the skeletal remains of almost all the crew with the exception of one. Now, I was just watching The Twilight Zone, and there's actually a Twilight Zone episode of a bomber that went missing during World War II and is found in the desert much later. And one of the crew members was unable to make that flight with his comrades, and it's kind of a weird Twilight Zone episode. But when I saw this, it reminded me of that. But I tell you, it's a hard soap, and it surely smells good. So I'm going to be using this soap today. And then I got a mail call from China. I got 3 new brushes to try out. And let me see if I've got the right one. I opened up the right one. 2 of them are synthetic, and 1 of them's a badger. And these are brand new, and it's from DSCosmetics. DSCosmetics. And in fact, these brushes, the description, and the web link to go to their site will be in the description of this video, as well as the link to go to Wetshaving. So you can check out all of this. So I'm going to be trying out this brush today. I really like the handle, and it does not smell like wet animal. You know, badger brushes, as you probably know, like boar, can smell one first or second use. So I'm going to put it in the crystal skull and let it soak, and we'll see how it does. I've been doing, in fact, I'm sure you know that most of the knots these days actually come from China, the badger, the boar, and probably the synthetics too. So most of the companies, Simpson, all of these companies, they get their knots from China. So there is a big supply of shaving brushes in China. And it's nice to see another company. They contacted me and they said, hey, would you like to try out some of our brushes? We're an up-and-coming company, and actually went to their site, and they sell knots alone. So I know some of you, I've restored brushes. I think I've got 2 of them here. I've restored some brushes, and I bought the knots off eBay, but had I known, I might have been able to save a little and buy them directly from the source in China, synthetics and badger. So we're going to be trying out that brush today. And the other 2 are synthetic brushes. We've got a tuxedo. Nice handle. And it's kind of like this one. Look, it's a flat top tuxedo. And the brush, or the handle, very nice swirl. And again, DSCosmetics. So, take a look. Do yourself a favor. Take a look at their webpage and check out the prices are reasonable. Between $10 and $30, depending on what you want. And from what I looked at. But now they may have some lower, they may have some higher, but you're going to have to look. All right, so someone said, hey, you've been using 2 or 3 piece. Will you use a butterfly? So I will be using a blue tip vintage Gillette today. And someone said, what's your thoughts? I've used them before, but I haven't used them in a while, of the Gillette Silver Blue. So I'm going to be putting a silver blue blade right now in this razor. like how double wrapped these blades are. So, if you guys had a good week, you can tell, you can hear me, getting over my sinuses. Anytime I go on vacation, I come back to this air. There's a lot of fires going on. I do end up getting a, you see that? Silver blue. I do end up getting some allergies, or in this case, a cold or upper respiratory problem. All right. Now, I think I just had it. Here we go. I'm going to use the travel bowl that I got from my friend, and I'm going to put in some of the Victory Saving soap into the travel bowl and whip it up. I'm going to use my coin, scrape some out of here. I like these tins because they really stack well. They don't take up a lot of room. Man, I put a lot in here. I got a lot in there. Oh, it just smells great. So I'm trying to do several things in this video. Introduce you to a couple of new products and do some requests. And the the butterfly was a request, the Gillette Silver Blue, and there'd been a request for some Floyd. I never did buy the Floyd Blue. I know you can still find it. It's been discontinued, but I really do like Floyd. Oh, it just smells great. And I get to go out to movies tonight with my wife and daughter. I think it's, what is it, Searching or Seeking, Searching, mystery, thriller. We'll see how that goes. All right, I'm going to put a brake spot right in here in case for some reason this camera falls out and I have to do a cut. There we go, and we are back. All right, I've got the Badger. Does smell a little bit, but that is typical of all Badger brushes. Now the soap is going to overpower that smell immediately, and it is spilling out of here now. Woo hoo hoo, very good. In fact, all I smell is the soap now. It's a very, very dense knot. Very dense. Look at that. Look at that. It holds the soap very well. The soap's always nice and slick. You cannot go wrong with Victory Shaving. In fact, one of my friends, Tim, he wrote to me and he goes, "Hey man, I've already got the limited edition. You haven't tried it yet." And I'm late to the party. It probably came out a week or two ago. But again, I was on vacation. All right. Wow, and it's a nice handle. It holds really good. Okay, I'm going to put this down here. Move these brushes over. Get the Gillette ready. The brush and the soap, so far so good. The Gillette Silver Blue, let's see. It's not quite the same feel as my Gillette Wilkinson sword that I use all the time. And that's usually my go-to when I'm trying new products because I'm very, very familiar. I buy them by the hundreds. And I had a pretty good growth there. Do you see that? Hear that feedback? Hang on one sec. The whole family's home. And that was an emergency request to use the bathroom because the other one's occupied. My son's getting ready to go to work, so he's going to be banging on this door in a few minutes. I thought I picked a good time to start the shave. Go figure, right? All right, don't want to cut myself. Come at it at an angle. The blue tip is a very mild razor. All right, continuing. I threw a little more water on that soap. Thin out the second pass. I don't think I've used witch hazel in a couple of weeks now. I know I didn't bring it with me, so I might incorporate some of that today too. All right, a movie weekend, man. So tonight, searching or whatever it's called, and then inhaling the soap. And last night, Operation Finale. Very little World War II scenes. Takes place in the late 50s in Argentina when they captured Adolf Eichmann. It was a very interesting movie. Saw a lot of young high school kids in there. And they were writing stuff down, so they must have a history teacher. Must have gave them an assignment to go see the movie. Kind of cool. I never got those. Except I did take notes in Animal House. As soon as I saw Animal House in 1978, I said, I gotta go to college. Very nice. Soap, brush, blade, razor, very nice. What are the odds of that? What are the odds of that? I've been spending so much time on the Twilight Zone machine. That machine, well, I'm doing the video. It's just that I'm cutting a lot of scenes. So there's just so much on that machine. And it relates to so many of the episodes that it's kind of fun to make. All right. Thayer's Witch Hazel. Very nice. Ah, that brush did work good, and that soap did go good. DSCosmetics. No more animal scent. Now the synthetics never smell like that, but boar and badger, oh yeah, you're gonna look at that. Is it a 24? 24. Big knot. All right, let this hang up here. Damn, it's so big I can't even. That knot is so damn huge. There we go. We'll hang it on that one. Perfect. All right, some Floyds. Oh, good burn. Great, great, great smell. I think these go around $50, but this bottle is friggin' huge. Friggin' huge. 400 milliliters. That's gonna last. I've had this for over a year or so, and I do use it frequently, and I have not even dented it yet. Thank you very much for watching. I'm glad I got an opportunity. Thank you to the DSCosmetics. Thank you to Victory Shaving. I get an opportunity to get out some good products that I have not tried before. So, and hopefully you guys will enjoy them too. Check out their websites. You'll find them in the description of this video. And if you do get some, let me know how you like them. All right, everybody. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your subscriptions. I look forward to seeing you again very, very soon. Bye for now.